Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got my Ipsy. I'm excited. I get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that is 5 full-size items, and it is $28 and $1.99 for the handling. So you pick 3 of the 5 items. So they pick 2 for you. So let's see what I got. I did get also, I chose something with some points. So let me get everything out of here. You always have to make sure that your bag is empty because you never know what's in there. Well, interesting. I don't have everything that I ordered. Okay. Anyway, this is the bag. It's super cute for Valentine's, you know, super cute for February. It does say on the front, self-love is the best love. It says it right there in gold. Taking care of ourselves is very important. There's some fuzz on it, some white fuzz, and the boys have not even been near this. So here comes Smudge now, but he just, you know, he wasn't here a minute ago. And there's the Ipsy tag. And these bags are, you know, they're nicely sewn and whatever, and they've, you know, got a drawstring, and they're good for a lot of things. I usually, whenever I get them together, I pass them on to a friend that likes them. So February is You Are Loved. And they send a card, but they don't tell you much of what's going on in your bag because there's so many different combinations that can be made since we get to pick our own things. And it's not that they just show us the same things. I get shown different things than another customer will get shown. So this has on it affirmations. I am the creator of the world I want to live in every day. I will take up space. Not sure what that means. I will create an environment that is healthy and whole. I will see beauty in my inner self and not just my appearance. I will do the work and I will show up for myself every day. So repeat after us. I am loved. Now that's a nice message. Okay. So I do see some things in here. I'm seeing one item that is not what they picked for me. So I don't know. All right. I did get, I had a lot of points. I have a lot of points. I still have a lot of points. I don't really like what they're offering in the points section. Right now there's maybe 6 or 8 things, and most of them are sold out. And I'm not going to get a $600 item unless that's all the points I have. Because those items are the deluxe samples that you get for $350. I don't want to waste my points on that. I save my points. So I have a lot of points. So they had a lot of stuff. I don't know. I had a lot of points. So I did recently, I got something last month. I don't remember now even what it was, a mascara or something. So this time they keep pushing their refreshments. I thought, what the heck? How could this can't really hurt? I'm going to try the refreshments. This is shampoo. Superb strength shampoo in tart lavender, it says. So it's a sparkling clean promise, silky smooth, scary strong, reinforce your locks, helps to revitalize damaged hair. I really don't have damaged hair. Helps to prevent breakage from heat styling. I do use a flat iron. So we'll see what it's like. There is quinoa protein, sunflower seed oil, and vegetable protein. It sounds like a snack more than a shampoo. I can't tell if it's sealed, but I do like this. I do like this container. It's flat, and then you can squeeze stuff out. I like that, and I like when things, you know, because it's hard when you have a bottle. It's hard to always empty it from shampoo and conditioner. This will settle when you know, sit it this way. So I like that. So we'll see. We'll see if I like it. I'll let y'all know. All right. So they picked 2 things for me, and they picked for me the brand Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, valued at $39, but I don't have that. But I'm happy with what they replaced it with. They sent me Dr. Brandt. Let me show it to you. Dr. Brandt's an excellent brand. This is a hydrating essence. It is a tone, soothe, and revitalize. So it's a hydrating essence. So I don't know what it's valued at. I'll have to look it up. Close your eyes and spray evenly on clean skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches away from your face. It doesn't say if you're going to clean that off or what you're going to do. I guess it just goes on your face. It's an essence. As opposed to, you know, like a moisturizer or a serum. I don't really use essences very often, but I'm willing to try it because Dr. Brandt, this is, I mean, I don't know how much it is, but Dr. Brandt items are usually 80-ish dollars. We'll see. We'll see. I'll check it out at some point. Next thing that they sent to me is the brand Biro. And I was introduced to Biro from Boxycharm. And I do like it. The items that I've received from them so far, I've really liked. This is the Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser, valued at $38. It's a face wash. Isn't that pretty? First of all, the packaging feels like velvet. It's very, very, I love that color. Gorgeous. Okay, Biro. And this is what it looks like inside. And it is a gel cleanser. It's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. Very, very pretty. I mean, it's be beautiful on your sink. So it's AHA, BHA, and PHA. And it's a gentle gel foam cleanser infused with a clarifying blend of kiwi and a triple acid complex that deep cleans and unclogs pores while leaving skin soft and hydrated. Now, I will tell you, when I went over the items that I had to choose from and that they picked for me, a lot of it is for clarifying. And clarifying is for people with oily skin and blemishes. And that's my story, and I'm going to stick to that. Some people don't believe that, but that's what I say. That's what I believe. My first choice was I could choose a lash serum. If y'all know me, I don't like lash serums. I could have chosen a clarifying serum. Again, clarifying. I could have chosen the Farah brand. It was a sponge, cute little black sponge, and it was in a Valentine case, a little white and red case with hearts, holes in it, and it held the sponge. Some eye gels and a Fenty eyebrow wax, or this product. I picked this product because I love this brand. This is $59 value, Mud Masky. This is the Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. I'm not really big on clay masks because they are great for clarifying. They're great for oily skin, but they're okay to use for me. Now, everybody's skin is different, but I have normal to dry skin. So mud masks can dry your skin out. Some of them don't, though. There are some out there that don't do that. And this one says that it is, let's see, it'll polish and help perfect your complexion with this vitamin-rich clay mask. It helps to draw out impurities, buff away dead skin cells, and improve elasticity and glow with plant oils and Australian pink clays for skin that looks gloriously glowy. So there are some oils in there, so that's very good. So I may or may not use this. The Mud Masky brand is a great brand. I think that it is not talked about enough. It is, anything I've ever used from them is really nice. So my second choice was Verso brand Day Cream, a clarifying cleanser. I already got a clarifying cleanser. The Clarity RX brand, which is a lactic acid solution, and I have had that before, and I have used that before, and I did not like it. It is a clarifying lactic acid solution. I used it because everybody raved about it. It is a wonderful product. It's an expensive product. It's a very gel, because it is it's like a water cream, I think they call them. Also, I could pick pimple patches or an under eye brightener or one piece of makeup, which is this Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. This is a blush duo in pink lace, and this is valued at $20. Cute packaging there, nice plain packaging on Makeup of the Day. Why is it that I don't have what I need when I need it? That's just the way it is. Okay. I do not have my tweezer. It's always right here until I need it, But this is pretty, and it's makeup, so that's one of the reasons I chose it. But I could have chose the Clarity RX because of the value. And then I could have put it in a giveaway, but look how cute this is. This is cardboard. Really cute. See how that is? It has the band here to open it, to keep it closed, I mean, anyway. And then it does not have a mirror. It says, you be you, only better. If you can see that on the top there. And then this is the blush. Isn't that pretty? It is interesting. It is, whoops, hang on. The center is darker and the outside is shimmery. And does it have a name to the blush duo? No, that's just Pink Lace Blush Duo. Pink Lace Blush Duo. It's very pretty. So that's that. I have so many blushes. You know, does blush last me forever? Yes. Does it last you forever? I have 2 or 3 blushes open. They'll last me forever. So do I need another blush? No, but I want makeup. I love getting skincare too, so don't get me wrong. But I like to have choices of makeup too, not just skincare. And then next up is my choice number 3. I could pick, now here I did have some makeup. Hip Dot eyeliner and shadow. It was a duo ended. One end was liner, one end was shadow. And then there was a Luna Magic brand lip liner that was 2 separate lip liners. And then there was the Queen Studio, the 2 eyeliners. I just was talking about them the other day. One is a liquid, which I'm using right now, and one is a pencil. And there was the brand Pear Nova in a lip balm. It was a very pretty mauve color, very pretty. And Kaleido Cosmetics Blush Trio. Well, I got a blush. Who wants another blush? So I picked what I would have picked anyway, because it's Fenty. Fenty Beauty, which is by Rihanna. I picked, this is the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in Latte Lips. $20 value. I have no idea, I don't know about that color, but I don't care. It's Fenty. It's Rihanna. I'm gonna get it. So I've never tried one of her lip balms before. This is what it looks like. Let's take a look at it, y'all. Okay, so it opens like this. Oh, okay, I wasn't quite sure how it was gonna work. It's a doe foot. So there's the color. Let's put it on. It's very creamy. See, just a nice lip balm. So not a lot of coverage, but pretty coverage. It's shiny, got a little sparkle to it. So I like that. I always like a lip balm of some sort on me when if I'm not wearing lipstick. Even if I'm wearing lipstick, sometimes I want a lip balm over it. So just to keep my lips from getting chapped. But that looks very pretty. So that is what I got from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I got I think I used 1,200 points for this, y'all. So I hope it's good. I have heard a lot of nice things about refreshments. I've been against them because I don't know. I just haven't wanted to try it, but I'll be trying it. I have tried a couple things so far. We got the Dr. Brandt. I'm gonna see how much that cost. I don't know, because my bag was worth $176. Hang on, let me find out. Okay, the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence is valued at only $35. I thought it would be higher than that because mostly their products are higher. So that brings my bag down to a value of $173 instead of $176. It's not a big deal. I don't know why they didn't send me the Waterfall Saturday Skin, but the Saturday Skin Waterfall is a water cream and I wouldn't have used it anyway. This is water-based and this might be something that I'll like in the summertime. It says to use it after you clean your face. After you use toner, then it's supposed to replenish your skin. So it sounds inviting and it says it's soothing. I think it might be something nice to use in the summertime because I think it would be very soothing after you've cleansed your face and you know it might cool your face, might cool your skin down a little bit. Do y'all like this? Let me know. Let me know what you think about this, okay? So I got $173 is a good bag for $28. I got the Viro gel cleanser, which I may or may not use. This kind of thing, if it's something that I don't particularly think is for me every day, I can use it two times a week or 1 time a week or something, you know. And then, you know, the Dr. Brandt. I got, again, like, see, like the Mud Masky. A clay mask you wouldn't use every day anyway, but I might use this once a week or something. I've got the beautiful Fenty gloss. And I already wrapped this stuff up. What am I trying to say? The blush. And that's it, right? 5 things. And then I got this shampoo, so we'll see if we like that. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my Ipsy Glam bag and Glam Bag Plus. And they do have, the Glam bag is $13, $1.99 for handling. If you like Ipsy, I think it's a fantastic way to get to know products. If you're new to makeup, if you're new to skincare, or if you can't afford a higher priced subscription, getting that $13 bag, you pay, well, $15 a month, getting that, if you can buy it for a longer length of time, it'll save you a little bit of money. It's a great way to try products. You get 5 deluxe samples, and a lot of times they do give full-size products in the bag, and you get a cute little cosmetic bag with a zipper. I like those bags better than this bag. It's a great value. I really love it, and you can sign up under me if you want to. I think if you sign up under me, I get points, you get points, something like that. So I highly recommend, if somebody says to me, I want to start getting some makeup, I want to start getting some skincare, but I can't spend very much money, that's what my suggestion would be, is to try the Ipsy Glam bag and see if you like it. Get it for a few months, and you'll have a lot of things to try. So, but yeah, I really love Ipsy. Thanks y'all for stopping by. Oh, I thought Smudge was going to come up, but I guess not. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.